So we're off for a little walk, aren't we, Layla? This is Warwickshire Moor in Tamworth, just down the road from where we currently live. Helen and Carl from Roaming in Raymond know this place very well. Every time they come and see us, we always end up here with the dogs.
Fishing rod.
And today's a particularly lovely day for dog walking. Nice sunny day, Layla. Nice sunny day. See anything?
A pipe.
A what?
Pipe.
A pipe. That's not a pipe, that's a bit of scaffolding. That's like a stage where someone's done some fishing or something like that, I think. Some lily pads there in the river, Layla, look.
I've never seen a lily pad.
You've never seen a lily pad?
Ow.
Never seen one before?
No.
You see a little frog sitting on them or something. They do have tadpoles here though, don't they? We've seen them. Yeah.
I was doing a scavenger hunt at
Yeah.
school, and it was an alphabetical one, and for these I put yellow flowers and it did count.
That's a buttercup.
Yeah, but they're still yellow and they're
Yeah, but it's a buttercup.
Yeah, but it's yellow.
What do you do with a buttercup? Do you know what you do? You put it under your chin, don't you? That's what I used to do when I was a kid. And if it goes yellow, I can't remember what happens now.
You like butter.
Oh, that's right, you like butter, yeah.
Yeah.
Checking me out.
You like butter.
I like butter, do I? I do actually. Salted butter. What are you doing? Eating stuff down there? Right, shall we carry on our walk? And this is the river. This is near Warwickshire Moor.
Ow.
Those houses over there were built on a golf course. The land was sold off by Tamworth Borough Council.
Ew. What is that?
These trees here
Are they blackberries?
these were literally just sticks in the ground 2 years ago.
Are they blackberries?
They're coming on really well. I don't know, Layla. No idea.
Wait, there's one here. No, they're not.
Not blackberries. She's normally jumping up tired by now. Bit muddy down here, Layla? Just a bit. Your trainers are going to be a nice shade of black.
My favourite.
Just down that driveway now, isn't it, Layla?
Huh?
We're on the home stretch now.
Yeah, and then we have to go over a massive hill.
A massive hill.
It is.
Massive hill.
It is.
Are you having a giraffe?
No. I don't have a giraffe.